This is compensation for subtraction. If your school is using the second grade Eureka curriculum for math, this is Module 5, Lesson 6. What is compensation? When we use compensation as a strategy, we change the numbers in the problem but keep the answer the same. We teach this strategy because it allows students to use what they already know to solve problems quicker. They know basic math facts, so if they change the problem to numbers they can manipulate easier, like 10, 100, etc., they can solve quicker. Here is a real-life example of compensation. Let's say I owe you $300. I tell you I'll pay you back on Friday, but Friday comes around and I don't have it. I only have $194. Now you have to figure out how much more I owe you. What equation could you use to figure that out? If you said $300 minus $194, you are correct. If I'm a second grader, 300 minus 194 might be hard to do in my head. But luckily, compensation says I can change the numbers in the problem. Subtracting a number with zeros at the end is easier. So I'm going to change 194 to 200. We call 200 the next 100. I added 6 to 194 to get to 200, so I have to add 6 to my other number, 300, to make up for the change. My new equation is 306 minus 200, which equals 106. That means 300 minus 194 is also 106. Why compensation works. Subtraction is just the difference between two numbers. If I want to know the difference between 17 and 9, I can just count how many numbers it takes me to get from 9 to 17. If I move both points up one space, or I add 1 to each, my new equation becomes 18 minus 10. Both 17 minus 9 and 18 minus 10 equal 8. We changed the numbers, but the difference or the distance is the same. If your child's school is using the second grade Eureka curriculum for math, this is what their homework looks like for Module 5, Lesson 6. You're going to see a subtraction problem, 2 blanks, and 2 rectangles. The rectangles are called tape diagrams. The original numbers from the problem go here, and the number you're adding to get to the next 10 or 100 goes here. The new equation goes in the first blank. The answer to the problem goes in the second blank. Take a screenshot of this slide for reference while you're helping with homework. Just to make sure you've got it, try this problem. 457 minus 198. Our first step. We're changing the second number to the next 100. What is the next 100? If you said 200, you got it. To get to 200, we add 2. So we also have to add 2 to 457. Now tell me, what is our new equation? If you said 459 minus 200, you are correct. Now we have 2 zeros, making it easier to subtract. We can clearly see our answer is 259 for both problems. Thank you for watching. If you need to see another topic in our next video, email us at theparentteachers@gmail.com.